Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular hatchbacks on the market, the Suzuki Swift. Whether you're already a fan or just curious about what makes this car such a big deal in so many countries, you're in the right place. We're going to explore what it's like to own, drive, and live with the Swift. By the end of this video, you'll know whether it's the right car for you. Let's start with what you see first. The design. Over the years, the Suzuki Swift has evolved from a modest hatchback to a much more striking, sportier-looking car. The current generation Swift features sharp headlights, a wide grille, and a compact, agile body that just looks fun to drive. Suzuki has always done a good job keeping the Swift looking fresh and youthful. It's a car that appeals to new drivers, city dwellers, and even enthusiasts who want a reliable daily with a little personality. And despite its small size, it doesn't look cheap. There are some subtle design cues that make it feel premium for its segment. Now, when you sit inside the Swift, you'll immediately notice how driver-focused it feels. The dashboard is simple and functional. Sure, it's not luxurious, but everything is where it should be. The controls are easy to reach, the dials are clear, and there's even a decent touchscreen infotainment system in the higher trims, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are surprisingly supportive, and the driving position is excellent for a car in this category. The interior materials are mostly hard plastics, but they feel durable and well put together. One of the Swift's strongest points is how it drives. It's lightweight, and that gives it a very nimble, agile feel. The steering is responsive, and the car handles corners with confidence. In urban settings, the Swift is a joy to drive. It's easy to park, it slips through traffic with ease, and it doesn't feel underpowered. On highways, it holds its own, especially the 1.2L dual-jet petrol engine, which offers a nice balance of performance and fuel efficiency. It's not a race car by any means, but it's fun, and it's predictable in a good way. If you're lucky enough to live in a market where the Swift Sport is available, that version adds even more excitement with its turbocharged engine and sport-tuned suspension. Fuel efficiency is another major plus. Depending on the variant and transmission, you can expect real-world mileage that easily crosses 20 kilometers per liter, and that's not just a marketing figure. Suzuki's lightweight, high-tech platform plays a big role here, keeping the car efficient without sacrificing safety or strength. Whether you choose the manual or the automatic, you're getting a car that's easy on the pocket when it comes to fuel costs. Speaking of transmissions, the Swift offers both manual and automatic options. The manual gearbox is slick and fun to use, making it a favorite for enthusiasts. The automatic, often an AMT in many markets, is more about convenience. It's not the fastest or smoothest out there, but it gets the job done, especially in stop-and-go traffic. If you prioritize comfort over performance, the automatic might just be what you're looking for. Let's talk about space. The Swift may look small on the outside, but Suzuki has done a great job using the available room. There's enough space up front for tall drivers, and the rear seats can accommodate two adults comfortably for short to medium trips. It's not the most spacious hatchback in the segment, especially in the back, but it's more than enough for daily use. The boot, or trunk, gives you around 265 liters of space, not massive, but perfectly usable. And with the rear seats folded down, you can carry larger items with ease. Now, reliability is a big reason people choose the Suzuki Swift. This car has built a reputation for being incredibly dependable. It's the kind of car you buy and just forget about. It starts every morning, it doesn't complain, and it doesn't surprise you with unexpected issues. That's a big deal in the real world, where not everyone wants to be in and out of. The workshop, Suzuki's service network is extensive, especially in markets like India, where parts are easily available and maintenance is affordable. When it comes to safety, Suzuki has made some real improvements. The newer models come with dual airbags, ABS, with EBD, rear parking sensors, and even hill hold assist in the automatic variants. Higher trims may also offer a rear camera and electronic stability control, depending on the market. Of course, the Swift still has room to grow in terms of safety features, but it's moving in the right direction. Some global safety tests have pointed out areas for improvement, so it's good to keep that in mind if safety is your top priority. Now let's talk about price. The Swift sits in a very competitive spot. It's not the cheapest hatchback you can buy, but it offers a great mix of features, efficiency, and fun. When you compare it to rivals like the Hyundai i10, Kia Picanto, or even the Toyota Yaris, Swift often stands out as the more engaging drive. And with Suzuki's strong resale value, you can expect it to hold its worth fairly well over time. For those of you considering buying a used Swift, good news. The Swift ages well. Just make sure to check service history, tires, and clutch condition if it's a manual. These cars are often driven by young owners, so it's worth doing a proper inspection before buying pre-owned. But overall, used Swifts tend to be a safe bet. What really makes the Swift special, though, is how it manages to do everything reasonably well. It's not just about performance, looks, or economy. It's the combination of all these things that make it such a great Artona. It's a car that feels light on its feet, easy to own, and genuinely fun to drive without trying too hard. Whether you're a student, a small family, or someone who just needs a second car for the city, the Swift fits into your life without drama. One more thing worth mentioning is the community. Suzuki Swift owners are passionate, and there's a ton of online support, aftermarket parts, and DIY tutorials available. If you're the kind of person who likes to personalize your ride, the Swift gives you a good platform to start with. From body kits and alloys to engine mods and infotainment upgrades, there's a world of customization out there. In summary, the Suzuki Swift may not be the flashiest or the most luxurious car out there, but it does almost everything right. It's stylish, efficient, fun to drive, and reliable. And perhaps that's why it has managed to stay relevant for so many years. Across different generations and markets, it's a car that delivers what it promises, no more, no less. So, if you're in the market for a hatchback that won't break the bank but still puts a smile on your face, the Suzuki Swift deserves a test drive. Trust me, it might just surprise you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Swift. Would you buy one? Do you already own one? I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, drive safe and take care. Let me know if you want this translated, edited for a specific audience like Indian, UK, or US viewers, or adapted into a short-form version for Instagram or YouTube Shorts.